Hello and welcome to the first edition of iCare Software Instructional Tutorials. My name is William Marquis, and today we're going to be taking a look at the attendance module. Now, the reason why attendance is so important is because of several factors involving your daycare. First of all, it's important for licensing. To prove you have attendance is crucial to your licensing procedure. It's also important for subsidized daycare. Just getting credit for subsidized daycare and what's involved with that. It's also important in custody battles. Who's picking up the child, proof of somebody picking up the child, and the legal ramifications of that in custody battle cases. I'd like to first direct your attention to the upper right hand section of the screen. And what you'll notice here is you have your daycare center statistics, center capacity, total active children, checked in now, checked out now, did not attend today. Now you'll get a pretty good idea of these statistics and what they mean just by looking at them. I think they're pretty self-explanatory. And also bear in mind that we're actually in the sandbox right now and this is sample data, so it will not be entirely accurate in terms of what a realistic setting would look like, but you still get a pretty good idea of what's displayed here. The next thing you'll notice is we have these categories that you can sort by. Under children, we have children and staff. We have the room. We have the program class name. See, if I click that, you'll see the different programs there. Under room, the different grade levels. So I'm going to also choose staff for that. You'll also notice status is checked in, has checked out, did not attend. So you can basically sort by any of these categories. Under today, you have these date categories: yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, this month. Under actions, we have a batch check-in or batch checkout for groups of students or staff. We have adding charges or credit, send a message, and we have lobby questions, and I'll click on that just to give you an example. So for example, we may want to look at lunch choices for today, and you see that we have our parameters set for daily for this start date. We have peanut butter and jelly, the cost, pizza slice. And we can further sort these lobby questions by the program selected, as you'll see on the right hand side here. In this case, all of them are selected. Now let's sort by last 7 days. I'll give you a demonstration of this. So, for example, here we have Jaden Carter, a staff member, who worked on, you'll see the different dates, 6:30, 6:27, 6:25, 6:28, and you'll also see the individual check-in and check-out times, as well as the hours totaled on the right-hand side. So that's convenient for seeing, staff members or children who attended in that category. In this case, it would be the last 7 days. What I'd also like to show you is how to manually change the in and out times for a student. So what we'll do here is we'll go down to Karen Baker and we'll click on the check-in button. Now you'll notice it automatically populates with the current time. We can change that by clicking on this pencil icon. So we'll make that 9 a.m. And then it leaves this open for us to choose a checking out time. We'll make that 3 o'clock. Then we'll click on this little icon right here, the check mark. So you can see that's how we check in and check out manually. It's important to note that the administrator can also set up the lobby so that parents can check in and out their kids from the lobby, and that option is available to parents. Now, the last thing I'd like to show you is the reports for attendance. You can get to your reports by clicking on this icon in the upper right-hand corner. It takes you to all your reports, but since we're working in the attendance module today, let's look at the attendance reports. So this main attendance report right here is basically that main attendance screen that we've been working from. So we know what that looks like already. But let's look at late pickups, for example. Now you can see here it lists all the students alphabetically, their in and out time, total hours, and then finally their late pickup time in minutes, how late they were being picked up. Let's go back and we'll take a look at another report, the weekly attendance summary report. And this is a nice little summary of attendance for each student, again listed alphabetically, total hours, and the count. So that's my summary today of the iCare attendance module. Please join me next time when I'll be demonstrating another module within iCare. And also please go to our website where we have a knowledge base and a sandbox that you can practice in. Until next time, this is William Marquis.